Hello everyone, enhance your knowledge with today's lesson. Today we are going to talk about chargeable gains for companies. You may be thinking we have learned this somewhere else. Yes, chargeable gains for individuals. We have learned this in our previous videos. Now we are moving on to chargeable gains for companies. Number one, what is capital gains tax companies? What is this? Yes, this is where your company is having a property and you sell that property and then you receive a gain. On top of that gain, you may be required to pay a certain amount of taxes. So now you know what is capital gains taxes for companies. And then how to calculate CGT, capital gains tax. How to calculate? Yes, this is very easy. You will be required to calculate your gain by deducting the cost from whatever the proceeds that you receive. To make it simple, whatever you receive minus whatever your cost is. So you may receive a payment by selling your property, and then whatever the cost that you have incurred to purchase that property is what your gain is. And then what is indexation allowance? Yes, this is an allowance which is provided by the income tax department to the tax paying companies to reduce their taxes. So now you know what is indexation allowance. And then share matching rule. What is this? Yes. Now there can be many instances where you may have purchased shares on different dates. Now you may be struggling to identify what is the cost of shares that we are disposing about the part disposal of shares. So you may be able to understand share disposal matching rules. So this matching rule comes into play, which will ease how to identify the gain which is relevant to which share cost. So now you know what is share matching rule. I'm not going to describe too much on this because this is a lengthy concept. If you are willing to learn more on this, I have put the description below. You can purchase the course and you can identify in-depth analysis. And then dealing with gains and losses. What is this? Yes, if you are having a gain, obviously you will be required to pay taxes. But what if you are having a loss? Yes, you can set off the loss by carrying it forward to the next financial year where you may have a gain. So setting off against that will reduce your income tax payment. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. We will be back next week with more exciting content. Thank you so much.